Hey everyone, Alex here with Systems Refined, and today I want to talk to you about tracking special occasions. It's my dog's birthday today, and I already can see your eyes rolling. I know, but I don't have any kids, so that's why I, just say it's my dog's birthday. So I actually track like my parents' birthdays, my brother, who I can never remember his birthday. It's like March 22nd or 23rd, and it's probably the 21st. I don't even know. So I put that, I track that as well. And one thing I also don't ever want to forget are like anniversaries. And so I kind of track that as well. So before I used to just use the Google Calendar and just track that and have it that way. But I never got like notifications or anything. I didn't set it up that way, but I very rarely use Google Calendar anyway, so it didn't really work that well. Something that I do use on a very regular basis and can track dates, special occasions and parties and things like that, Asana. So I use Asana to track special occasions. So let me show you guys how I use Asana to track special occasions. This is my special occasions project. As you can see, I named it special occasions. I use it to track birthdays, anniversary, gifts that I might need to buy, and any parties that might be coming up. And March 22nd. I know earlier I just said I don't remember his birthday, but now I do. It's March 22nd. I'll probably still forget it. But anyways, I use it to track Amanda's birthday, which is my girlfriend, September 29th, which is right around the corner. You can see I have all my family members, except for my twin brother, because we're twins. And I track all my nieces and nephews and the one friend that I have. And my anniversary. April 27th, so that's a date that I never want to forget. So that is kind of how I track special occasions. So I'd love to hear how you track special occasions. Do you do it this way, or do you have another way that you do it? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how you do it. And if you like this video, go ahead and click on that like button. And if you want to see more of my Asana tips videos, click on subscribe. I hope you found this video valuable, and I hope you have a productive day.